Hi guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to fix couple of bugs which were present in our code, and then after we will be fixing home page. So before we begin, if you have not already subscribed my channel, then please do. It really helps me keep motivated to make new videos. Yeah, so let's begin. Okay, so there were few bugs, like if you see models, so in user model I have added timestamp. So why I have added this timestamp? This is to get created at and updated at in our model. So if you see our document, let me just open this collection LMS. Now if you go to books, here you will see created at. Okay, here we don't have created. Let's just click on borrower. Here you will see created at, updated at. So if I add new book here, you will get created at and updated at. I will show you when we add any new books. Okay, if you go to find model, here as well you can see created at, updated at. So this is happening because we have added timestamps to true. So this I have added in every model. So here I have shown you for user model. Let me just go to return model. You can see created at and updated at I have added here. Okay. Now go to find model. Here as well you can see timestamp I have added. Then borrower model you can see timestamp, and book model as well. Okay, so this is the first thing. First thing I have added timestamp to get created at and updated at. The second thing is I have modified a db helper find one method. So if you go to helper, db helper, earlier what issue we were getting, like when we were trying to paste the any document, we were getting the first document, it was returning the old document, not the latest document. So to get the latest document, I added one field sort property. So what this is currently doing, it is just sorting document by created at in descending order. So if document is created by now, so it will be showing you the latest document at the very top, and we are fetching that document and returning it. So that's why I have added created at -1. So it will return me the latest document by created at. Okay, so this is the second change which we have done. The third thing is so I'm not sure if you guys have noticed, but in the book model, or not book model, in the borrower model and return model. So if you go to borrower model and return model, here earlier I was using user in place of user. I have written book, and here I have written user. So that's why it was creating confusion, or so that's why we were facing some issues. So I think I have directly copy pasted it from some other file. So that's why I forgot to rename it. So I have changed user ID to user and book ID to reference document book. Same for return model. So user ID reference document user and book ID reference document book. So this is the third change which we have done. And the fourth thing also we have done. The fourth thing is we have modified update one method also. So if you go to db helper, you will see here I am currently using earlier it was update one, find and update one. That method I have replaced with the update, and have added filter, and currently I'm using set property to and just adding body. So body, you will have to provide whatever value you want to update. So I have modified this method as well. I have modified find one and I have modified update one. So this is done, right? Now what we will do, we will go to we will first start our application. Okay, so it looks like our node module is deleted. So let me just install it first. So I have deleted it for some other purposes. So let me just install it first. Okay, so now our app is installed. Now let me just run npm start and open your home page. Okay, so this is our home page and this is not looking good. So what we want to do, like just to modify the home page UI. So in this video we will be modifying home page UI. Okay, so in this video we will be modifying home page UI. So let me just open homepage views file. So that file is actually this one, index.hbs. Let me just delete everything. Okay, now since we have deleted it, now add one class, div class, and this will be jumbotron. This will be jumbotron. Here we will add h1 and title. Okay, let me just refresh the page and see how this is looking. Yeah, this is looking fine. Just add one more class here, text center. So now this will be, in the center. Refresh it. Okay, this is in center, right? We will modify title later. Now what we will do, we will create one container. Inside that container we will add one row, and here what we will do, we will create 3 column. Okay, we will create 3 column. So first column, in the first column, what we will add total user signed up, total registered user. In the second column, what we will add total number of book available, total number of book available, or total books available. You can set number of, we can delete, and total genre available, GENRE. Okay, so here what we will do, we will simply write user count. Okay, here we will write book count. Here we will write genre count. Okay, so this is done on the front end. If you refresh it, you will get all the values, but this is not in the center. So let me just make it in the center. So here we will add text center. Here we will add text center. So after adding text center, this will be in the center. Okay, so this is in the center, right? Currently we are not getting any values since from the backend we are not sending any of this value. So now let me just open this controller for which is responsible for rendering this file. So if you go to your route and if you open index.js, here you will see we are sending everything from here. So we are rendering index.hbs from here. So let me just modify this title to library management system, and here we will pass user count to some count as of now. Let me just pass the new value user count, book count, and genre count, and go to front end and refresh this page. You will see everything is now changing. We are getting some values. Okay, so this one is also done, right? Now since we have hard-coded values, but we don't want to do that. We want to fetch every information from database. So I'm not going to write controller and services for now here, since this will be less changing, and we are not going to write any logic for this. So we will be only using whatever we are going to write to fetch information from database. We are going to do that in this function itself. Okay, so let me just write this as async function. Here we will call user model and book model. Okay, run require model. Okay, so now we have user model and book model here. So let me just get the user count. User count equal to await user model dot count. I think this method will work, right? Now second thing is, now get book count equal to await book model dot count. So this will return the total number of documents present inside the book model. Okay, const genre count. So here is the interesting part. So if you want to count the genre is inside the book document. So to find the distinct genre, we have to use distinct function. So for that I will use await book model dot find dot distinct, and here we will pass genre. Okay, so this will return me the distinct genre count. Okay, now we will denote this a static value count, this one also, and here we will pass genre count dot length method. Okay, now let me just refresh this page. You will see the actual value. Okay, you are currently seeing the actual value here. Total number of registered users is 2, total book available 1, but not sure why I'm getting this 0. So let me just check book model. First open the book model and let's check book genre, GENRES. So that's why I was getting 0. So I have to replace this with this thing. Okay, now let me just refresh. Okay, now getting one value. Let me just validate whatever I'm getting. So if you check, total book number available is 1. Here genre is sci-fi, and that we are getting, right? If you check user, we have currently 2 documents that we are getting on the home page. Okay, now user we are getting, book count we are getting, genre count we are getting. So this much information we wanted to show on the front end. We are yes, and we are successfully displaying that information here. So currently this home page looks fine. In later we will add one more button here to sign up and log in, but currently we are not going to add that. Now next thing, so currently this add book link is not working, right? So let me just fix this add book link. So we will be doing that in the next video, and we will be creating one middleware where we will be checking if the current user role is admin, then only we will allow user to add book. Otherwise we will redirect or show some error, so that you are not eligible to add book. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. It really helps me keep motivated to make new videos. Thank you so much.